This thing also has a motion sensor. There is no more motion. So what I have to now do to activate this light is to basically wave just around it for it to come back on so that the motion sensor can detect my motion. So now that is for optimum because it is running off a battery. Now let me turn this off so that we can go ahead and open it up and see how it is wired internally. Great. So let me open this. I've already opened the screws on it, so it's easy for us. You can see there is a battery attached to it. That is a 3.2 battery, and now that battery is designed to be charged by this solar module here. You can see also there is a small circuit board here that we're going to discuss more about this PCB, and the switch, as you can see there, the switch is basically meant to connect the circuit with the battery. Right now the panel here is connected directly to the battery, but there is a small diode here, actually this big diode you can see. Now that diode is there for protection, because we do not want to be pushing power from the battery to the small module. Great, so this is the approximate circuit that we've got here. Not exactly 100%, but it's very much close to what we've got on this board here. Okay, so S plus and S minus are the connection for the solar module, and the B plus and B minus are our batteries connection. Great, so there is a switch that we spoke earlier on to turn this module on and off, so that is this switch here. Great, so now let's take a look at what exactly is happening in this circuit here. Okay, so now we know that when there is a light source, right, available on the solar module here, there will be a voltage that will develop across it. Now that voltage will cause R1 and R2 to have a voltage divider here that will then bias Q1 at the base. Now when Q1 turns on, okay, it will bring this point here to 0, okay? Q2 will then turn off.